wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best printer stands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The removable drawers accompanying the Victor Midnight can slide into any of its 4 compartments, so you can customize the layout to suit your needs. An open rear area makes it easy to manage cables and position it flush against a wall. It comes with frosted glass windows and a faux leather top. However, it initially emits a strong odor. At number 9, manufactured using non-toxic laminated particle board, the South Shore 2-door is available in an attractive black finish with a combination of open and closed storage spaces that enable you to quickly access supplies, keeping your workspace neatly organized. It's backed by a 5-year limited warranty and equipped with brakes on 2 of the casters, but it takes a while to assemble. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Supporting up to 300 pounds, the Line Leader utility cart is equipped with a pull-out keyboard tray, drop-leaf side shelves, 4 swiveling casters, and an adjustable height between 24 and 42 inches, making it a dependable storage solution and mobile workstation. It includes grommet holes for cord management and a power strip. However, it is on the pricey side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for printer stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can keep your home office essentials organized with the Winsome Piper. Made from composite and solid wood and offering an elegant walnut finish, the pull-out shelf can be used as a laptop stand, while the lower storage drawer is well suited for use as a filing cabinet. It's got 5 wheels and holds several reams of paper, but the assembly instructions are confusing. Moving up our list to number 6. Constructed from powder-coated steel, the allsop metal art has a perforated platform that promotes airflow to keep your electronic equipment cool. The non-skid rubber feet help to prevent scuffs on desks or expensive furniture. It's a very compact design that's also good for TVs and game consoles. However, it tends to wobble. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Safco Mobile has 4 rolling casters, 2 of which can be locked in place for stability. Its thick laminate top has plenty of room to accommodate an inkjet printer, a fax machine, or a scanner. It comes in black or grey with a tubular steel frame, but it scratches easily. At number 4, the Rolodex Wood Tones comes with a cord organizer compatible with the company's hub system for convenient access to power outlets and USB ports. The divided lower shelves are designed to hold letter, legal, A4, and tabloid-sized paper. It's got rounded edges and is available in several styles. However, it's not ideal for heavy laser printers. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Capable of being used as a stand, a bookshelf, or a makeshift filing cabinet, the edge banding and Z-shaped design of the huanuo desktop makes it an elegant and stylish addition to bedrooms or home offices. A 5-year warranty comes with it. It's equipped with thick wooden shelves and non-skid pads for stability. It can support up to 44 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for printer stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can set the versatile Mind Reader rolling cart up with either 2 or 3 tiers. The top drawer can hold small items like pens, paper clips, and staples. It's a durable plastic construction that's relatively easy to clean. It's also suitable for monitors. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Safco Move stands 35 inches tall with a melamine laminate platform and a height-adjustable lower shelving. The molded PVC side panels conceal unsightly cable clutter. It's equipped with a powder-coated steel frame and is easy to assemble. It's available with a cherry or medium oak finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for printer stands, or simply click beneath this video.